Today I'd like to talk to you about the proper use and maintenance of a leaf blower. Okay, again, this is a gas-powered leaf blower. It's a two-cycle engine. Two-cycle engines, without going into too much detail, they require oil be added to the gasoline. That's what provides the lubricant for the engine. Typically, 50:1 is most common ratio for gas to oil. So 50 parts gasoline to 1 part oil. It's mixed in with the gasoline, you shake it up, and this is what we're going to use to fuel and lubricate our leaf blower. Another good idea too is be sure if you have other equipment that uses non-oil mix gas, use 2 separate containers. So have one gas container for your lawnmower and one oil mixture gas for your 2-cycle equipment. We've already mixed our oil mixture here, oil and gas mixture 50:1. We're going to go ahead and fuel up our blower. Make sure when you're refueling or using gas-powered equipment for that matter, keep it away from an open flame or any sparks or cigarettes that may ignite the mixture. We don't want a fire. I'm going to reattach my caps, put the cap back on the blower. Now we're fueled up and ready to go.